Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you a very good notification, that is total 234 vacancies are there from the 48 departments from the state university, and the recruitment is going to be done by the walk-in interviews. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. Now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, State University from Maharashtra. So here you can check down that online applications in the prescribed format for walk-in interview are invited from the candidates fulfilling the qualification as per the UGC, AICTE and the NCTE norms. Okay, and work as teachers on clock hour basis in the university departments or courses. And here you can check down that the last date for submission of online application form is 28th November 2020. And coming to the minimum qualifications, good academic record as defined by the concerned university with at least 55% of marks at the master's degree level in the relevant subject from an Indian university. And besides that one, the candidate must have the NET SLET or SET. And if the candidate is awarded the PhD degree, then the NET SLET or SET qualification is exempted. Okay, so exempted, fine. So these are the things. And allocation of teaching workload will be as per the Maharashtra government policy, and the remuneration to be paid to the teachers on clock hour basis as per the government resolutions. And for the teacher, 500 rupees per hour, and practical 200 rupees per hour. And while coming to the tutor, to the theory, 300 rupees per hour, and practical 125 rupees per hour. And here, so these are the details, and few important instructions are there. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this notification link in the description box of this video, and directly I will take you to the different subjects or the departments from where the departments the vacancies are announced. So you can check down here physics and zoology, electronics and botany, chemistry, chemical technology, biochemistry, mathematics and statistics, environmental science, psychology, Pali, Sanskrit, Urdu, English, Marathi, tourism administration, management science and commerce, printing technology, nanotechnology, and then history, archaeology, journalism, geography and library and information science, French, education, political science, education in Usmanabad, and thoughts of Mahatma Phule and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Research Center, and physical education plus yoga, liberal arts, okay, and GMNIRD, and Tarabai Sindhe Women's Study Center, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Kaushal Kendra, and law and microbiology, so pre-IAS and NET-SET coaching center, and the biotechnology, and the fine art, water and the land management, dramatics, drama and folk arts, music and model college Ganaswangi. Okay, so here few colleges are also there. Okay, so from few centers are also there. So in these ones also the recruitment will be happen. So utilize this opportunity, guys. The candidates who are having the PG plus UGC NET qualification, utilize this opportunity. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And please subscribe the channel to get more notifications like this. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys, that means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan, okay? So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.